What's up everyone, welcome to Zilpex, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to have two WhatsApp in your same mobile phone. So we have two SIMs in the phone but we don't have two WhatsApp on a phone or two applications. For example, if you're having two of the Facebook, you can't use it on the same device. So let me just go on Play Store. Actually this theme looks pretty nice, it's a PUBG theme. Alright, so let me just go and type WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp. I have already installed it, so I can't install it again because it's already been installed. So how I can go and get WhatsApp on my mobile phone is going to be a different method. So if you have different kind of mobile, just go and check it out. You don't have to hack anything or you don't have to root any of the thing. So just click on settings. Inside the settings you just have to scroll it and you have to see that there are dual app or clone app. In my case I have clone app, so if I click on clone app I'm getting the option of WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook and Messenger. So I want WhatsApp in my phone, so if I click on it, it is going to clone WhatsApp on my phone, and if you want to rename it you can do that one as well. So I have two SIM in my phone and I want to have two WhatsApp on my phone. So let me just show you. I have one WhatsApp and this is the clone WhatsApp which I just installed, and if you click on my WhatsApp it is going to give me the option that I can have my old number as well as dual number, and that is going to help me the option of having two WhatsApp in my phone and I can run two numbers for WhatsApp. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Yes, I have privacy in my phone, so I'm not going to open and show you that how my WhatsApp looks. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.